Ghanaians are shocked over the main reason why Matilda asare is dreaded. The graduation who sends I'm sure someone who say a security all over the internet. Now, oko various comment sections are you be one in attachment to this particular photo. You be one is a graduation Papa Bay. We can vocational school bin wako vie. And you be a vocational school. Any school. Of which say information I mean say can crash say any vocational school. Me myself. After getting to know program wakoye, you made the party wakoye, and now more waiting here too. At the graduation, I was shocked myself. Many people are tagging her, say Matilda asare. Omu da, say what camera for empo. It will TV so and our screen so that. Where the mommy here vivid investigation to find out at the party wakoya what graduated, and you yourself you're going to be shocked. After a bit detail into the matters, I mean, sir, I can't additional dear. I won't come out currently. I shock the whole Ghana. A man for so my dumbfounded. They don't know how to react to the issue. So I'm Matilda. It's me. I call a K1ng Ghana. Currently, Matilda asare ekuta a masters in management and human resource strategy. The human resource strategy, any home management, any management as a whole. Okuta masters. When baby as one of the finest universities, here Ghana. You are shocked, right? K1ng. When I'm Matilda asare, as we me about the home modern, akwaji passport a mu dro say masters wasem. Nipa yente say what cabrofo empo eda. Wait, sure will say, for you because no matter how I name the odia see, so one no way him before, or co school address, or check Ghana for say, Bruni Cass, yen soon found in a competition. Yen soon for Bruni Cassan, yen soon found a World Cup. Yen soon for a home. And the people are even losing almost exposure in public. People are becoming like so silent to go out. Tell people so I'm cassan into a drew baby, I know than the cassan because when him so kind of best no baby. And when the introvert be brain, I increase the level of our Ghanaian society. A crab will have talent, pa, or TC bedroom, and answer Kamasi, Niticha Edin Krum Casa Cherenwa. I'm telling you, Quebec sell it. Feather, I'm on Kenya the problem, saying Krasi, Omuni Mass Master. Kenya that high problem, Nissa. But Cassanwa, they send a crano. A crown and Shadan Tias, into the problem now, but I need two. So Betty Bruni Cassan was say, one. Na emunchi asiye ne nti asiye no amana te de ticheni no kire no nso ase the second problem na ubi ade twato kora no e ma ne ba miensa no e ba besua broni kasa wo pamphlet no aye de ama no atin sem no ase brofo akese wo pamphlet ni mu na asa da so ama akra do. It's hard and difficult to hear Matilda asare so dina baby a wo ka brofo but wa che yen se brofo no kana dem on kana bonten we mienya adesuade bebre ede ne ha Ghana for. Say you measure intelligence with Kasa Wubika. And any pet me try baby Kase, I can't afford you no more carrying to my bon woman co school. Kumawood no, a man for address Kumawood crampo say, or more my bone the good Kumawood, or more man co school quan go. It yet me book or Kumanudi. Now the first in a bed jumping into somebody's mind and say, boy my bone Kumawood will be uncle school papa biao. Of which see ye be a 20 crown no Kumawood na ni pay good anymore no. This same Kumawood no ejina homa Ghana nyina. Ghana movie industry no gu ye as Hollywood no gu ye no. Kumawood ejana na so be seen. And wherever Kumawood movie goes no, it doesn't go with the name of the people of Kumas, it goes in the name of Ghana. Currently as I'm talking to you, another shocking news Bobo Bani say, "Kwadwo nkansah movie o yi, I seen a bro for tantan aye sremi." Will you believe? Say me no kasi Amazon Prime etimi about to movie no akoto. As I'm talking to you, let me see if I can get I was watching it on Amazon Prime. Yeah, this is K1ng Ghana movie. Mama nyen kese ne ha de ene da first a da show Amazon Prime. Now obi kwa be buza say movie ba ya Ghanaians criticize ye and a camera ni tan a country called Ghana. K1ng Ghana what promote to movie wako fa Nigeria ni Rams no wa ba and a dia no ama camera. I'm telling you say me ni pa me done pa even Kojo Sheldon was part of the people who criticized the camera quality of this movie. I friend a country called Ghana. Obi kwa be buza say na Amazon Prime no mo ye dia yi. Oma ye te say Netflix. And obi a was subscribing to Amazon Prime obi a unim say Amazon Prime no omo bo mpo a dancing Netflix. And omo movies quality pa. Movie wo e be ba wo nya no Netflix be do be kwa Amazon e da ho. Omo wo sika nkasa when it comes to quality movie. Say sa platforms we do movie beto ho. Netflix crowd omo bo omo the more African movies go ho. But say Amazon Prime pa do movie beto ho. Enye easy. And this is the achievement that K1ng Ghana win Eddie Kumawood and Ghana Edro. And ye bro for sem. Matilda asare disapproval and the logic in say and ye bruni kasa na die bedrechire. Get away. Me say me am a dear grammente say Matilda waka bro for da. Not getting to know pa say. Sa get away. Eti me koko school ni bia secretly we chie ni ade asanye the masters aka ho. I was shocked. Me and Matilda and rest in Nkomo Academy de atoa eye wo so.
We masters. We masters. Me first degree no 2011 at Baptist University College. Me human resources and management. And me bachelor's
Baptist University
College. And I BS bachelor's. And me moving in and me go school. But now I'm phone.
Time now you movie gidi now.
That time you na me go school. Until me directors ni bia. Do ana me say so na me go school. Sa and na me national service we. The sabe ye adwuma ni gidi. Once you say I'm in tomorrow of producing. The producer. Until ye adwuma ni gidi sa na me say be o set me sa master. Until human resources and management. And I'm a human resources and management strategy. Ewo K1ng University ha. Ti eno na me masters. I am a masters.
Get no motivate you because we work as na be junior be star Matilda asare obi animo. Na interval the SS and interval the university. Na
yeah na emu because once I see me VA bachelor's no 2011 say mu wa ansa na me sabe because I wore a juma ni business nti ya na sometimes no I was say plan year nti enne man basa but now I feel say na me ye producer no and na me program me course na ye human resources is more of managerial skills. You manage human resources. And I'm meaning the pana ye juma and the identity. Na me who say me master ebeboa. Me nya nim die bebre ka ho de menya no ho ebeboa nti no. Ejuma na me ye no enno ena sa encouraging me say e nipa ho ejuma ena e skills na ye sua na identity na wo say me nya nim die more e ka ho ti na man be ye masters. Nti we no me the strategic ka ho.
Strategically no say o school na o ko era nkasa no one should ankoye no movie ankasa some question something about movie
there be manya bibia about movie me nyina is about management. Okay. Yes, managerial skills. When first one you manage adwuma, you manage nipa any ade and I make say we made the strategic can bibia obey bia no say one develop strategy I want to me yet nti ena man be no kan say the be ya adwuma na ye ni betimi aye ni yie na yakoye ni
obi we ka say Nansia Kasu scenario so SH0CK say we ambassador to Spain. Also politics kakra wo muntino ebia no ntina why so uku school kakra ka that chi bibi ba wetimi agrab no fast.
Oh enye no ase politics no ema ye ne ye adwuma. Ntina me ka say adwuma na me ye no. Ntina ma me ye say me sua ade na makomanim. Nti politics ne danchen say wo sua ade na opportunity ne ba fine. But eno ma ye wo ye adwuma ye dada.
Nye broni kasa enkwa na betimi am ya succeed in life. See the day Ghana beji atum say local language giant kasa baako and ye be direchi ne be koso akachi sa enunti the secret thing na no no. See the day we realize this say broni kasa ntimi fi ndu echi no na no ma be akachi and enunti I repeat and a Gollywood no Ghana movie industry na mu like ya pia mo any hwan van vika mo nya de no nti no mo Gollywood no egu ye no broni kasa no e wo mu se emodru. But if you are proud of yourself now standing tall with what they are and then share the reality, you know the team who the real talent within you because which now our custom something that is part of your culture and how they display your talent. Nigerians omo movie industry no e be chepa si ebegu because Nigeria ni a oguta even masters PhD and as MPhil no oji movie a ne accent na e doctor crown no be kind of doctor no sister crown no be kind of sister no obeti wo kasedi. But off the camera, we be a share Nigerian stars be ada one-on-one be no. You see, so share one-on-one. You just anya ko no yi movie Rams no work doctor sister ne sa normal way ni. Anya no quality English or no be kasa no personally no. But on camera, on Nigerian accent, they make sure say it will reflect everywhere that they go. Even if it's on a BET stage. And as a Grammy Award stage, Burna Boy will represent something reflecting not only in the music. Our narrative na a measure amount for intelligence. And accents should not be used to measure people's intelligence. And these two kumawood actors, they are making Ghana proud. Ibrahim Traore, this guy called K1ng Ghana when Eddie movie in Babontin, yenya Ghana media personnel baby. One can say said ye K1ng Ghana Traore no crown no more time. When you kwasi asem no for the Jimmy Kwatra baby. Why you moving at Traore you more time so okay can answer. Seriously. And her baby I would do. Obi timi kasa to the extent say. You guys say can someone. As you be calling the panel to TV nation or 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 cities a month. No what come from. When you say SH0CK on na onye bi nhwe na busuafo na obedi obi o use the talent ne the culture kasa e dey swa a million cities new currency one some na make million cities was what 10 billion 100 billion after every movie bia no obedi ni pan one time so dey ne krom kasa ye bibi adwen no wo form and it's high time see be preaching on this ni a che Ghana for say sanse hunu no yenya ni support ah o nkasa fo kantanka kasa wo yi nanki yesomwa nanki bia Ghana crowd nanki yetimi aboa ma economy na improve because too much importations etimi say Ghana economy no emane si asomu ye ni nyina yetwibia nanki bia exportation will be increased, people will come and demand the kantanka car out of the country na no so etimi aboa ma economy no enso etimi ebedo betimi atranse na me nkoto car yekachi ewomu ka yekachi me de dey chi ne nso ye Ghana forecast na enso obeba akoto car ekabro ni kasa there's one no de ensehunu bebre emano. And this is some of the things that was here and yes Ghana ye nyini engodu baby. Parliamentarians, I don't know what they are doing there. It is so hard for them to understand. So we see choose one of our local language. Obetimi di ho achinye na kasa nipa 30,000 pen na eka wo Ghana no. Just yenko deliberate on it to choose that. Abra is so clear say wo kasa nipa do no aneka. What is wrong with us? But it's so fair for you to accept Bruni Kasa to be our official language. Sometimes with me come meeting, you know, people say, Ken, where you come from? I say, oh, I come from Ghana. I say, okay, then how is it possible for you to speak English so accurately? I say, oh, Ghana, English is our official language. I say, how is that possible? How is that possible? But Ghana is in Africa. I say, yeah, but next time, come on, they call change over the car where we say, colonial time, colonization time, I saw Kofa Baby and Komo. And yes, I'm running into the what can I say? What I say, now I was some what reflect even the English language being our official language near Ghana for. But we don't know. Into would you why be told that be only making? Say Bruni Xiao now can say English official language while you Ghanaian. The next question will be sao. This is Bruni and him. They say how Ghana is in Africa. We saw Kochia about Kwasemba. Say a colonize the water. You don't promote your own, but you promote a white man confidently for colonizing you. And the British colonized us some years ago, and that is how the English language, you see, you are even promoting colonization. That is how the English language became official. Shameful. And consider me standing tall. Now you're proud of our language. You officialize a bako. See your language. Not be beyond ancient team. You can learn English as your second language. Nobody stops you. But your first language, it should be something that is within you. I believe so. A die ever find this normal way, you bet me I normal Ghana bebre. And crabet engineering I see, bebre ye one more cast and you can tank and qua. because the knowledge of whatever they are studying in classroom no, will increase by 80% and it will boost intelligence. And will a jasso, yes, jasso. I'm a Ghanaian into my part and so currently, this is a beautiful big news at Air Coso. I'm sure you are shocked. Because you can't movie no a dinner terminal. I could pay mu a Amazon Prime. When SH0CK won't mean share. At the end of buy no debate to YouTube for free no. But you see when SH0CK. When you movie no when SH0CK. Because you can't movie no. You been share. Amazon Prime. Samson and Matilda Asare is also turning heads with a year in the money that is masters in management and human resource strategy. A K1ng. We are killing me in case of any of these business. I mean, K1ng say all the updates I gather revolving a year. The king of Eswatini. I'll be PMO a year commerce and beautiful packages be a package. Me try say me share. Nam dia baba some. It's gonna be a beautiful video. Some details be I'm sure most of you missed them. And some signatures be silence message be 24 cent out there. You understand command about 24 cent a message. Wow, the king of Eswatini was in a mention. And that secret message. This is the trending news. Nkansah on Amazon Prime. Matilda Asare turning heads. Unyakini, my crowd.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media. No style of blogging, fantastic. So now see commentary, news in the bar. So now see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostan also, the Ebema. Other tribe a flow only sorted India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And maybe I also train free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, the K1ng modern K1ng will try pa.